Hello. Here are some interesting facts about Kolkata's Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose International Airport. The airport was originally called Calcutta Aerodrome and opened in 1924. It was a tactical stop on the air route from Europe and North America to Australia and Indochina. The airport is spread over 1,641 acres of land. The airport has 3 terminals: a domestic terminal, an international terminal, and a cargo terminal. The new integrated terminal, T2, is 233,000 square meters and can handle 25 million passengers annually. The airport has 2 parallel runways, with the primary runway capable of handling 35 flights per hour and the secondary runway capable of handling 15 flights per hour. In 2014 and 2015, the Airport Council International named the airport the best improved airport in the Asia-Pacific region. The airport's design is inspired by the rich cultural heritage of Kolkata and Bengal. The terminal features a landscaped courtyard and a grand central garden. The airport is located in the municipality of Dum Dum, about 10 miles, 16 kilometers, from Kolkata city center.